What's up, YouTube? It's the I Don't Know Man back with another video showing you what to do if this happens to you. Check this out. It's broke. Can't shift, can't do nothing. This happened while I was driving, y'all. I was pulling out a parking spot. I pressed the button to put my car in gear and El Snappo, it broke on me. Started to panic, but so what happens, or what you got to do is this. Once that happens, don't panic, relax. You stick your finger in here, and there's a metal, I'm pressing on it now. It's a metal little rod, like a slant. It's a slanted little metal rod sticking up. You stick your finger on top of it and push it down, and you'll be able to pull the gear shift back. This is how you do it. Stick your finger in there. It's a little metal rod. I don't know if you can see it. Probably can't. Yeah, sort of, kinda. But it's a metal rod in there. You see that little silver thing right there? The little silver thing sticking out? Stick your finger in there, push it down, and pull back like you normally do. Voila, you'll be able to shift out of gear. You'll be able to put it back in, reverse, park, everything. It'll work just like regular. So, I had to figure that out while I was, pulling out of a parking spot. That was kind of crazy. So, I've looked up on YouTube. I see this happens quite a lot. This is a 2004 Honda Accord Coupe. So from, I think, 2003 to 2007, I heard this happens a lot on these cars. These are, it's plastic. After years and years and years of pressing on it, it breaks. So that's what happens. I got the replacement parts. I watched how to do it. It's not hard. All you need is 3 replacement parts. I paid about $45, $50 for these. This is a spring, and this is the plate cover, the plastic plate cover. That's the silver button. I just showed you the broken one. That's the new one. So it's not hard to replace. I'll do a little video, show you how to do it. I think I could pretty much do this. So what you're gonna need is a Phillips screwdriver, plastic pry bar. Say plastic because you got to pry it apart, or you might be able to pull it apart, but if you got to pry it apart, it's best to use plastic so I don't scrape this up using a screwdriver. But if you don't care, then hey, scrape along. So what you got to do is, like I showed you, put it in out of gear, put it all the way back, put on your emergency brake so your car don't roll. There's 2 screws back here that you will have to take out. See those 2 screws right there? Bang bang. You'll have to take those out, which isn't too hard. Unscrew those, bing bing. Now once you get these out, it should come out with no problem. Let's see, y'all. There it go. Slides right out. So now got this. Gotta pull it apart. This little piece right here separates from this piece. So what you gotta do is you gotta wiggle it. You wiggle it a little bit, or this is where you're supposed to use that plastic pry bar, but I'm gonna see if I can pull it apart. Ow, ow, ow. But see, pull those 2 apart. Bang. Now for this part, I think you might need the plastic pry bar. See, mine is already separating, so I'm just trying to get it to go from there. Put the plastic pry bar in there. Try to go along the edges. There we go. Pop that off. Bang bang. It's already broke. See, the clips in here is broke. The clip right there is broke. Now inside there's a little metal, plastic little pointy piece that sticks out. That's where you stick your spring on. It's a little pointy piece. You'll see it because it's the only piece that's sticking out like that. It's pointing directly at you. It's looking at you in the face. So you take your spring. These are genuine Honda parts too. Here's the part number for this one. Here's the part number for this one. This is the plastic outer piece. This is the spring. And this is the part number for the silver button. Genuine Honda parts. I got this off of Amazon for like $45, $50. Pretty cheap. So, take your spring. And be careful, don't drop it or lose it. You stick it on that metal. See how it's sticking out? It's a little plastic piece sticking out. You put it right on there. Then take your silver button here, and on the silver button, it's a see that little piece sticking out? The spring goes on there. That little plastic piece sticking out. The same. It's a similar looking plastic piece on the inside that's sticking out just like that. It's sticking out just like that, and it's on the inside. So you stick that on there, stick this on there. And there you have it. Yeah. Stick that on there. That on there. Bam. Okay, now you get your plastic cover. Get that. Pop that over there. Like that. Bing, bang, boom. Be careful because you know it's just cheap plastic. You don't want to break it. So put that cover over it. And press it down. So you squeeze this down, snaps on like that. You squeeze this part down. This side right here. Squeeze it down. So once you squeeze it down, so on like that, grab this pizzot, put it back like that, snap it back in spot, bang. Now, throw it back on. Make sure it's all the way down and it's secure. Make sure the holes are lined up too for the screws. Make sure these holes is lined up. You can look from this side, see if they lined up. Put one screw in there to make sure. Yeah, there we go. Shouldn't be too much resistance. It should go right in. If it's resistance, then double check. Make sure you ain't screwing something in crooked or stripping the thread, but it goes right in smooth as butter. And once you in, tighten it up, not too tight because it's plastic. You can tell it breaks easily, so it don't gotta be super tight, just nice and snug. And then, voila, you back in action. You're back, baby. And that's how you fix broken gear shift knob on a Honda Accord 2003 to 2007. This is the I Don't Know Man from the I Don't Know show, because I don't know what I'm going to do next. I just do it. And I'm signing off, YouTube. It's been fun. Stay tuned for my other videos. Sneak peek of what I got in store for y'all. Woo! Check her out. Video up soon. I'm editing. I'm working on it. Check it out. You gotta see the side shot. You gotta see the side shot. Show y'all the side shot. Yeah. But sneak peek, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all what's going on over there in a little while. I'm working on it, getting the parts, everything ready. Yeah. She gonna be a beaut, y'all. She's gonna be a beauty. This the I Don't Know Man signing off. YouTubers, y'all stay safe out there. Y'all keep doing what y'all doing. One day at a time. Signing off. I Don't Know Man. Out.